You know, they're a tough team, as you can see. Like, you know, they're the number one team. But if our motivation isn't at an all-time high right now, then, you know, I don't know what motivation is. Like you said, we're on the road. That's already tough, going against the number one team. We just have to be ourselves, as always. And I think when we play our brand of basketball, we have a chance with anyone. We just have to be tough. We have to be, I say, even keel. We've done, you know, pretty well on the road here lately. And just like I said, play our brand of basketball and try to get things done. We have to execute. We're going against a pretty elite offense. A lot of moving pieces, a lot of spacing and stuff like that. So we just have to defend well, and like I said, get out and run in transition, and I think we'll have a good chance. I think it just starts with our motivation, knowing what we got at stake at the end of the season, knowing what we have a chance to do. So I think that plays a big part, but I think we just have been locked in, defensively locked in, offensively, and our task and our roles. And I think that's got us, you know, the job done, let alone the fans who travel and support on the road for us to help make it feel like a home game. But I think we've just been locked in on what we're supposed to do, and it's been working. Just a strong physical defender, a smart player, offensively and defensively. To those guys, you know, praying for a speedy recovery. You know, you don't never want to see anyone go through an injury, but you know, you kind of want to try to take advantage of those guys not being there. You know, you still want to respect everyone who's playing, and just kind of go from there. I think a little bit in the Obali game was a lack of concentration, and you know, sometimes those games are like trap games, where you have a EuroLeague game and you go against, you know, go to an ABA game and you think it's just going to be easy and stuff like that. Like other teams don't prep, and you know, we kind of got in that kind of, you know, trap game. You know, luckily we were able to figure it out and fight back. And you know, you have those games. You know, there's games where, you know, it just happens where you're not always, you know, as locked in as a EuroLeague game or as locked in as the game you were before. You know, it's a mistake on our part not approaching the game like that. But you know, we just got to do better. We just got to be, you know, focused and locked in on every game so we don't get in situations like that. But, you know, I mean, I'm glad we showed some resilience and we were able to come out with wins.